Current trends in monetary policy and banking. Number 1. Digitalization. There is a growing trend towards digitalization in both monetary policy and banking operations. Central banks are exploring digital currencies, while banks are leveraging technology for customer service, payments, and risk management. Number 2. Inclusive finance. There is an increasing focus on promoting financial inclusion, with efforts to expand access to banking services, particularly among underserved populations. This trend aligns with broader socio-economic goals of reducing inequality and fostering inclusive growth. Innovation and technology advancements. Number 1. Fintech integration. Banks are embracing financial technology to streamline processes, enhance customer experience, and introduce innovative products and services such as mobile banking, peer-to-peer lending, and robo-advisors. Number 2, blockchain and cryptocurrencies, offering potential benefits such as improved transparency, efficiency, and security in financial transactions. Central banks are exploring the potential of central bank digital currencies as a form of digital payment. Potential developments and challenges. Number 1. Regulatory frameworks. Regulators face the challenge of adopting regulatory frameworks to accommodate technological advancements while ensuring financial stability, consumer protection, and compliance with anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements. Number 2, cybersecurity risk. As banking operations become increasingly digitalized, cybersecurity threats continue to evolve, posing risks to data privacy, financial transactions, and the integrity of the financial system. Banks need to invest in robust cybersecurity measures to mitigate these risks. Evolving landscape and future implications. Number 1. Shift in banking models. The emergence of fintech and digital banking is reshaping traditional banking models, leading to increased competition and disruption in the industry. Number 2. Enhanced customer experience. Technological advancements offer opportunities to enhance customer experience through personalized services, seamless transactions, and improved accessibility. Banks that prioritize customer-centric innovation are likely to gain a competitive edge in the future. As the monetary policy and banking landscape continue to evolve, stakeholders must remain vigilant, adaptable, and innovative to harness the opportunities and address the challenges presented by emerging trends and technological advancements. Collaboration between regulators, banks, fintech firms, and other stakeholders will be crucial in shaping the future of industry and ensuring its resilience and sustainability.